wait, I can go get the one for all with you. Hold on.
Wait, what would be Jesse's
okay.
fucking quirk?
Nah, bro, I'm gonna go get the bird. I'm going for that. I'm going for the bird I pinged. Whoa, okay. Oh, okay. Mash, you didn't see that. Good. Good boy. That's why I keep you on the show.
You just got a baby move.
Yeah. I'll show you who the true biggest bird is. Alabama smash. Good boy.
Mind your tongue, boy.
Boy.
I can't go that far out. I was gonna go all the
Eat
way.
ass. Wait, is that person?
I swear to God, Owen. I swear.
Someone just shot at me.
Take it. You're like the gayest person ever. Take it. Just saying. Like,
Who is that? Okay, someone is shooting at me.
Where?
Where? I don't know.
fucking useless motherfucker.
What the fuck?
They are really good at shooting. Bro, what the? How are they hitting me?
Fuck, it's an ambush!
Oh my god! Oh fuck. Bro, there was another guy who was like really good at shooting.
Oh.
Do you wanna go back to the lobby? Jesse, there's a new episode of Family Guy, Jesse. Alright, see you suckers later.
Parkour.
Check out how cool I am.
Why is it built like a Roblox obby?
Okay, hold on. Nut has his bet. Nut thinks Meth is the biggest bird.
Oh, he thinks I'm the biggest bird?
Okay, hold on, wait, stop. Should we have a time limit?
No.
No, because I was going to say we have a time limit then, whoever's highest. Or should we just do it until the end?
Whoever gets to the end first is the biggest bird.
Oh my god, that took way too long.
Y'all are lacking.
Shut the fuck up, Tekka. I'm
Shut
like
up.
one level behind you.
Are you? Oh shit, you are. Damn, Owen is lacking.
I can't fucking see!
Sounds like a skill issue.
Fuck you.
That's racist. You can't say stuff like that.
How is that? Trust me, Owen,
did I
just
die?
Owen, just wait till you do a 7 Deadly Sins crossover, he'll be eating your words.
I doubt that.
Bro, I am gonna lie, if they do a 7 Deadly Sins crossover, I'm buying literally everything.
I have to be the biggest bird. I can't just climb over it. Fuck.
Oh, fuck.
He's the one that put his controller down. That ain't my fault.
Haha, eat ass.
Shut up, bitch. Bro, why does this happen? What? Look at me.
Like 10 levels ahead of me.
It's cause I'm the
Bro,
biggest
Owen
bird.
lacking. I can't believe Owen's lacking. Oh my god, I'm in creative mode
So I
again.
don't like parkour.
Please.
I'm stuck!
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the
Oh my god. Ah! Oh!
Oh shit, I can see Owen.
I got stuck.
Owen, hi!
Okay, that's not the ones you're supposed to touch.
Check this
Yo,
out.
can you wait for me?
I'm the biggest bird.
I do not
Actually,
care
do I have
much
an
You do.
Oh yeah, I do. Do you know why?
Because you're
What the
rich.
fuck?
Because I'm the biggest bird.
Well, actually, I'm ahead of you.
I'm
so
the
I'm pretty
biggest
sure that makes me
bird.
the biggest bird.
Source.
Source, I made it the fuck up.
Damn, he's right. Okay, but realistically, do you think dragons would have like a different number of balls?
No.
Probably. Wait,
No, but like echidnas have. Like, I mean, echidnas have 4 penises. So.
What?
Wait, do you not know that?
What?
So
No, Matt. Wait, deadass. Do you not know that?
I did not know that.
You didn't
So
know.
Knuckles has big dick game then.
That's crucial Sonic lore. Bro, say less.
Right.
Oh, no, wait on. Wait, Mass. Is it this that you false? Is it this that you did on?
Yes, I died like twice on that because
Check this
I'm
out.
slow.
Boom, jumped it.
Oh shit, this one's going to be a pain.
Shit, I'm out of stamina. Bro, I saw that. What was that?
Yo.
What
What was that?
Bro, why Owen sounding submissive? I'm the biggest bird!
You're not the biggest bird. You're not.
You might know
You're
everything
not.
I'm going to do, but that's not. Nah, I ain't done yet.
Go.
I ain't done.
Let him cook.
I'm a cook. Thomas Jefferson's. God, I love that video. You got the Thomas Jefferson.
I'll fucking bullshit.
Not just said Owen sucks.
I'll bust your nuts and your ass.
Hey yo.
Whoa.
Bro got hit with the autonomous ultra instinct, bro. Come on.
Oh my god.
Maria!
I'm back here!
I'm back in the fucking building again! Owen will return.
Never.
No, that's what it said. That's what Fortnite said.
Bro, I loved the Mayhem Diamonds.
Yo. I love.
From Hit
Well,
Games.
that was
Speed the
Sonic Chronicles,
Porcupine.
right?
Nah, from Speed the Porcupine.
Oh, Speed the Porcupine! I've got him.
He's not as
And
relevant as Sonic
his
the Hedgehog.
arch
Yeah.
nemesis, Yoke Person.
You know, contrary to. Nah, it's a bacon dude.
No, it's Yoke Person.
Yeah, you know, contrary to belief, Speed the Porcupine actually came out first.
Yeah.
Wow.
But it was only by like 2 weeks. But to be fair though, Speed's manga has been on longer, so.
Oh yeah. Did you hear the reference between magical Maliando Sister C?
I'm sorry, hold on. I need a minute. Magical. Say it again.
Magical Maliando Sister Z.
Oh, Super Mario Bros. Z.
Can't tell either. I think you're really ahead of me.
Bro, I found the I found the bizarre balls. The 7 bizarre balls.
I found the serpent orbs.
I found the serpent. I found the lizard spheres. Okay, that's it. You're going to the gay slide.
Let's just
okay.
look at me, Hector, before you go to the gay slide.
Okay.
Mass isn't the biggest bird. He is a mini chicken fillet.
If he's a mini chicken fillet, that I don't even want to think about what you are. Big bird. Gender.
Wait, am I the only one?
Yeah, Big Bird's a
Even
boy.
though- Oh, right, okay, he is a guy. Wait,
He is
am I
that
the only one?
He
Even
is
though
that hard.
Fardy the
Small, thin, red bars.
Hey, could you like kill me?
Oh, that.
Oh yeah, did you hear Netflix are rebooting Teletubbies?
No way. No way.
They are.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
You're lying.
I am not lying.
It's gonna be animated,
Why
isn't
did
it?
I lie?
And guess what? They changed the baby to Asian.
What?
The baby son.
Okay. This is even like a racial thing, but why?
I don't know.
What is with everything getting race swapped? Like that Velma show, bro.
Oh, we do not talk about
Don't even
that.
get,
Am I the only one that thinks Sonic Adventure 2 isn't that good?
bro. I mean, it's a decent game, but I ain't gonna be calling it the best
I
Sonic
ain't
game.
calling it the best Sonic game. Yeah, no.
I prefer Shadow the Hedgehog over Sonic Adventure 2. Like Sonic Origins.
Yeah, like re-release. No, I want all the Sonic games that are trapped on the fucking old school handhelds to have a re-release.
Come on, the Game Gear.
No, the Game Boy and the fucking DS. I want a re-release of those. I have to be the biggest bird.
No. Okay. Maria. Live, we put in the way. I'm trying to become the biggest bird.
Oh, these balls, man.
Hey yo. Come on.
Shut up. These balls
you got
go
something to
deep,
tell
my
us?
guy.
These balls are beating my ass.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck, come on. Come on.
Oh.
Hey yo.
It
Can you
wasn't what you
explain yourself,
thought.
good buddy? No!
Explain yourself, buddy, old chum.
Hey there, buddy, old chum, buddy, old pal, friend, chum, brother, become friend. Wait!
No, fucking left grab, bro.
Fuck it. Fuck it. Run. Become the sword that will pierce the heavens. Go. I won't lose to my son. I must become the biggest bird. Like my hero, Big Bird.
That didn't even fucking work.
Fuck it. Wait, we're...
What? Wait,
Come on.
what have I done?
Oh, fuck.
Huh.
Why didn't I jump? Wow, Daddy. Come on.
Whoa. What? You're getting too excited. Oh, I won. I'm the biggest bird.
Are you the biggest bird?
I'm the biggest bird.
Fuck. Well, congratulations, Mass.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
His other side is coming out. Well, at least I'm better than Owen.
Fuck you.
I'm the biggest bird.
Ooh, 10
Maybe not in this
stuff.
life. That would... 50 minutes? My good sir, you've earned this.
You know what, my good friend, my good sir, I believe that you deserve this as well.
Together. We shall both be the biggest bird.
Yes.
Where's Owen? I can't even see him.
I don't know.
Oh, did you leave?
Where do you think I am?
Owen left. Owen left.
You left. Well, I'm just gonna screenshot this, because why not?